it's Arella, and I'm going to teach you how to pluck Cherry by Harry Styles on the ukulele. Okay, one could honestly argue that I'm probably a bit too over-obsessed with Harry Styles, but you know what? That's okay. This is why I made this video. Alright, well, anyway, we're going to start with the chords for part 1. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can just follow the instructions or the graph I put. The G5 chord, which is the first chord, should sound like this. Now for the second chord, we have the G chord, and again, just follow the chart. It's pretty easy. So the second part of Cherry is all on the 4th string, the A string. This is where it gets a bit complicated. For part 1, the strumming pattern goes 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 1, 4, 2. It sounds like this on open strings. Okay, so I'm just going to go over what we should have so far. So you start off with the G5 chord, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 1, 4, 2. Go to G, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 1, 4, 2. Then lift the middle finger while you're still in G, so you have the Dsus4 chord. Just lift the middle finger up, so then placement should just be your 2 fingers like this, and then you play 1 and 4, 2 and 3. Drop the middle finger down, so you're back to G again, so it's 1, 4, 2. And then you play the last part, which I will show in the next clip. Here it's going to be 1 and 3, 2, 2, 1, 3. All together, this is what part 1 should sound like. Okay, now we're on to part 2 of the plucking. It goes 2 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, and you repeat. Okay, so from here, what we have is on the 5th fret right here, you play 2 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Then you go to the 2nd fret right here, 2 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Then you leave it open, so no fingers, 2 and 4, 3. Then put your finger back down on the 2nd fret, and then play 2, 4, 3. So it should sound like this. 2 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Open, 2 and 4, 3, back down, 2, 4, 3. And then I will show the last part to part 2, the plucking, in the next clip. Okay, now I'm going to play it super slowly so you can follow along, and I'll verbally state out the plucking pattern so it'll also be easier to learn. So what we have here is 2 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Open, 2 and 4, 3, back down, 2, 4, 3, 1 and 3, 2, 2, 1, 3. And that is the entire plucking pattern for part 2. Right now I'm just going to go over everything and how to play it all together with the bigger picture. So there's a part 1 and a part 2 in this video, and you play part 1 3 times over, and then you play part 2, and that should be 1 stanza. So this is the part 1 section. You repeat that 3 times over, and then after you repeated that, then you play part 2, which is this part, which is all on this string. So it should be this. So part 1 3 times over, and then add part 2 at the end, and then you repeat that entire section over and over and over again, and then you can play the entire song. This is a play with me, so just play along. was kind of helpful, kind of maybe not, sort of. But I hope you were able to learn Cherry and just become this much closer to Harry Styles himself. I might be posting more ukulele tutorials in the future, so if you want me to do another song, figure another song out, just leave it in the comments below and perhaps I will learn it. I'm just gonna say bye, so bye.